welcome back to the channel. Appreciate taking time to watch these videos as always. Today's going to be a very brief video because you probably see it looks like it's about to pour with rain any minute. But I want to show you what we've been working on the last few weeks at the club. So we're in what we call the west bank of the club, and you see that these jetties are all quite high just because the tides are getting higher. I'm not going to speculate why that is, whether it's global warming or not, but there's these ones up here are all rotten and they need to come out. So we've been slowly making all these newer jetties up, and we've been working on this one for the last few weeks. It takes quite an effort when you rip out all the old ones and then putting the new ones in. So we prefabricate these platforms here. You can see them probably just up there. So we make a few of those up so that we can get the first few couple of pilings in an H-frame, and then we use a digger or a crane to get the platform in position, whilst we can then have it held by the crane or the digger, and we go out and we put the other piles in to then secure it. But as you can see on these ones, you go out so far, so 3 meters, and then you drop it down. And whilst these ones are always underwater, looks like they're not required, because the height of the tide, we do need that extra platform going down so that any boats that are sitting really low on the mud, it's easier to get on them. So what we did weekend just before Christmas, I was down in the mud. We're putting these cross braces on so that then we can cut this part of the platform here, and then we can run a 3 6x2s under the platform and start putting on some more planking, or lower one of those sections onto it straight away. So yeah, just a quick video just showing what we've been working on. And actually this jetty is for Phoenix there, that's going to move on to this jetty, because that's someone else's jetty that's had their boat out of the water, I believe. But the rest of these jetties down here, I'll just quickly show you. I mean, they are rotten as a pear. Look at that. That's why we're replacing them. But what a great boat that is as well. Been completely refitted inside. It's lovely. But that's it. Just wanted to let you know, since the boat came out of the water, I've still been down here doing some jobs, and I'm going to go do a bit of filming showing a job I've done on my boat. But until next time, take care, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.